Pre-conference workshops have kicked off as part of the 45th International Association for Education Assessment annual conference hosted by the State Examination Center of Azerbaijan. Held from September 22 to 27, this year's conference is themed Assessment and Decision-Making, Individual and Institutional Solutions. One of the pre-conference workshops is called How to Develop a Tailor-Made Training Course for Sustainable Transformation of Education and Assessment Towards 21st Century Functional Literacy. It is conducted by Nico Dieterhen. Nico Dieterhen is a senior consultant for international projects at CITO, the Netherlands. Called Is Assessment Fair? The second pre-conference workshop is conducted by Isabel Nisbet and Stuart D. Show of Cambridge Assessment. The third pre-conference workshop is called RCEC Review System for the Quality of Examination. It is conducted by Arnold Brouwer of RCEC, the Netherlands. The IAEA 2019 will officially open at Fairmont Hotel, Baku on September 23, bringing together more than 300 delegates from 55 countries.